Hi there, little explorers. Today we're going to discover the magical journey of how a caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Ready to flutter into adventure? Let's go. Our story begins with a tiny egg on a leaf. This is where the life of a butterfly starts. After a few days, the egg hatches, and out comes a tiny, wiggly caterpillar. Hello, little friend. The caterpillar is very hungry. It munches on leaves all day long, growing bigger and bigger with each bite. As the caterpillar grows, it sheds its skin several times. Each time, it gets a little bit bigger and stronger. When the caterpillar is big enough, it finds a safe spot on a branch to rest. Something amazing is about to happen. The caterpillar spins a special shell called a chrysalis around itself. Inside this cozy cocoon, it will transform. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar is changing. It takes about 2 weeks for the transformation to be complete. Can you see the chrysalis changing colors? Finally, the chrysalis cracks open, and out comes a beautiful butterfly. It spreads its wings to dry in the sun. With strong wings, the butterfly takes its first flight. It flutters around exploring the world and sipping nectar from flowers. Butterflies are important helpers in nature. As they visit flowers, they help with pollination, which helps plants grow. The butterfly lays tiny eggs on leaves, and the life cycle starts all over again. A new generation of butterflies will soon begin their journey. And that's the incredible journey of how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Thanks for fluttering along with us. Remember to be kind to our butterfly friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun stories and videos.